Let's begin with a striking truth. Over 200 million people worldwide try meditation, but more than 85% give up within the first month. Why? Because they don't feel it's working. They sit, they breathe, but their minds keep racing. They don't feel peace, they feel frustration. If that's you, you're not alone. In this video, we'll show you 10 powerful, proven ways to instantly improve your meditation. And I promise, number 9 will completely shift your perspective. So let's dive in, not with hype, but with real, transformational insight. 1. Start with intention, not expectation. Most people approach meditation like they're trying to achieve something: peace, clarity, stress relief. But true meditation begins not with expectation, but with intention. When you sit down, don't ask, "What will I get?" Ask, "What will I offer this moment?" Even just 3 minutes of sincere presence is more powerful than 30 minutes of sitting and wishing it would end. Set a simple intention. I'm here to be with myself fully. That's enough. That opens the door. 2. Get your spine involved. Your spine is not just posture, it's your energy antenna. Every spiritual tradition emphasizes the spine because when it's aligned, your nervous system calms, your breath deepens, and your energy naturally flows upward. Sit tall, relaxed but alert. Imagine a thread gently pulling you up from the crown of your head. This simple physical shift sends a signal to your system: we are safe. We are ready. And the mind begins to quiet down. 3. Use breath like a bridge. The breath is the most underrated teacher in your life. It's always there, always honest, always guiding you back. One powerful technique: try box breathing. Inhale for 4 counts, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. Do this for just 2 minutes. Studies show it reduces cortisol by up to 40%. The breath doesn't just calm you, it builds the bridge between the body and the mind. Ride it like a current into stillness. 4. Remove the pressure to empty your mind. Let's destroy the biggest myth. Meditation is not about stopping your thoughts. That's like trying to stop the wind. Instead, think of your thoughts like clouds drifting across the sky. You don't fight them, you don't chase them, you watch them. The real power lies in observing. When you stop resisting the noise, something magical happens. The noise starts to lose power. As Sadhguru says, meditation is not an act, it is a quality. And that quality grows in silence, not struggle. 5. Sound before silence. This one is ancient and effective. Use sound to prepare for silence. Whether it's chanting, listening to a simple mantra, or humming gently. Vibration brings your scattered energy into harmony. Scientific studies have found that humming activates the vagus nerve, calming your entire system. It also sharpens your focus. So when you enter silence, you're not dragging mental chaos with you. You're entering clean, clear, and centered. 6. Find a sacred space. Your environment shapes your experience. You wouldn't try to sleep in a nightclub. So why meditate in chaos? Create a sacred corner. A cushion, a candle, maybe a photo or symbol that inspires you. It doesn't have to be fancy. It has to feel intentional. When you return to the same space each day, your mind starts to associate that corner with stillness. It's like telling your nervous system, here, we slow down. Here, we go inward. 7. Choose a consistent time. Just like your body knows when it's time to sleep or eat, it can also learn when it's time to meditate. Try to sit at the same time every day, ideally early morning or evening. Science backs this up. Practicing meditation at the same time daily increases neural efficiency, meaning your brain more easily slips into meditative states. Make it part of your rhythm, like brushing your teeth. Routine builds ritual, and ritual builds inner transformation. 8. Track the energy, not the time. Most beginners obsess over how long should I sit, but seasoned meditators know duration means nothing without depth. Instead of watching the clock, feel your energy. Some days 5 minutes will be pure gold. Other days, 20 minutes will feel restless. That's okay. The key is, did I go inward? Did I touch stillness, even briefly? That is success. Meditation is not about adding time, it's about subtracting noise. 9. Meditate with your eyes open. Yes, you read that right. Meditating with your eyes open, softly gazing at a single point or flame, is one of the most ancient and powerful practices. In fact, many Tibetan monks practice open-eyed meditation because it trains you to be calm in the world, not apart from it. Try this. Light a candle and gaze gently at the flame for 5 minutes without blinking much. Let the breath flow naturally. You'll be amazed. Your mind sharpens, your breath slows, and your awareness deepens without retreating from life. It's powerful. It's different. And yes, it surprises most people. 10. Make it a living experience, not a performance. This is where people truly transform. Meditation is not a duty. It's not a checkbox. It's a daily love letter to your own soul. When you treat it like a living experience, a space to listen to yourself, to meet what's alive in you, it becomes something you crave, not something you force. You begin to carry that stillness into your meetings, your relationships, even your conflicts. And that's when it's no longer something you do. It's who you are. So here's your invitation. Don't just meditate. Transform through it. Start today with just one of these 10 techniques. See what shifts. If you found value in this, share it with someone who's struggling to find peace. You could change their life. And comment below. Which tip resonated most with you? Which one will you try today? Subscribe for more grounded, powerful ways to evolve. And remember, the journey inward doesn't begin with perfection. It begins with presence. The rest will follow.